right, as promised, folks, here is the finished product. Looks pretty good. It's actually pretty nice and smooth. This top part hopefully won't get scratched up too much. I was thinking of adding something here for the shock towers where they're sliding around, but we'll see. Up here you can definitely see where that moisture got to it as I was shooting it. There's like little bubbles there, but thankfully that'll get covered up by the air compressor box, or yeah, the condenser coil and all that stuff goes in here. But it sucks. Everything was going well until that started spitting and sputtering on me. Now some of these areas are kind of rough as far as, you know, clear coat goes, but that's way tucked in there and it's not that big of a deal, honestly. But everything else, the most visual areas that you're going to see when you pop the hood, those are all pretty clean. I guess I could probably put a little bit more clear coat in this area, but it's not the worst. Yeah, and up here where that sucks, where a lot of moisture hit right in here, you can see the spots. This tag's like almost unreadable. I don't know how. Maybe I should get some paint stripper, chemical paint stripper, and take it off. Drill these rivets maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how the mood strikes me. But today I'm going to paint or strip this, get this ready for paint. I'm gonna paint that black. I'm probably gonna go back through and go ahead and paint underneath here, paint all that stuff black, black that all out. The tunnel, transmission tunnel underneath the frame, I'll black all that out. I'm probably just gonna go ahead and hit this with some black paint on the inside here, just to protect it on both sides, just so it looks uniform. Because I didn't really worry about getting too much clear coat and paint up in there on either side, so I'll just go ahead and put black in there, just make it look decent. It'll darken it out. Okay, well, that's that. She came out pretty good. I'm happy with it. All the good areas came out really nice. All this top area came out nice, so it's all really good. Not bad at all. Of course, this you won't see anyways. You'll see a little bit of it from the fender, where it overlaps, but all this you won't see. But it is protected now by paint and clear coat, which is good. It was getting pretty rough up in here. It wasn't rusting, but it was just getting rough. So now that'll be protected for a while. I'll go ahead and go in here and hit this area. I do need to fix this rust still, but that's on the inside of the car, so I need to fix that. I'll grind that out and fix that before I paint it. Make sure that's all done. This looks like this had some kind of coating in here, so we'll get her done. The rest of it looks pretty good. That's all factory caulking. I probably should go ahead and maybe touch that up a little bit. We'll see. Actually not bad at all. I mean, all the rust here is minimal. It's all just surface rust. I hammer this, get the hammer and dolly, hammer this flat, get this all flat, and please don't jack up your cars off of this spot. There's so many different areas you can jack up off of. You can jack off that, like, you know, frame rail looking area. Not quite sure what that's really called yet. These yellow parts are gonna go away. I'll probably just paint those black. So, alrighty folks, so thanks for watching, and we'll continue this video. You know, thanks for staying around this long, and hopefully soon I'll be hitting 400 subs. I'm getting close. I'm at, what, 384 today when I looked. So hopefully here soon we'll hit 400, and then 500, 600, 700, and hit 1,000, and then hopefully I can start getting the monetization going, get enough hours watched, and yeah. So please press that subscribe button if you haven't already. Definitely. Not that this is an end of the video, but you know, do that. That'll help me out, get this channel growing. I definitely want to grow my channel for sure, and improve the videos, improve, you know, video quality, audio quality, hopefully, as you know, as the channel grows. So y'all stick around, you'll see what happens. folks, coming back at you with a little voiceover. Screenshot you're going to see here in a second is the rust remover that I use, rust dissolver. It also works great for paint prepping surfaces. So that's what I've been using. That's what I'm doing right here, is I'm wiping it down to prep the surface for the epoxy primer I'm going to use. Stuff is amazing. Can't say enough about it. It's great. Use it, try it. It's pretty awesome. I'm continuing to work on the cross member. I'm gonna hopefully get to the lower control arms as well. And my plan is to paint this stuff the orange, which is gonna be my primary color for the car. So what you see on here now is the epoxy primer. It's been on for the last couple days. I made myself a little A-frame hanger majigger out there to hang it up so I could paint it. It came out pretty good. Everything looks really nice. A little texture to it, which I'm going to knock it down with some 320. But what you'll see next is me just grinding away. I'll be grinding away on the lower control arms. All right, guys, here comes some more fast forward action right at you. All right, we're gonna pull some windshields, guys. That's coming up next. Just cut that paint so it doesn't fuck it all up. Well, this here pulled off pretty smooth. Yeah, there's my VIN tag.
Oh, there it was.
There's no way to replace that without the windshield being taken out. Nice. Well, there you have it, folks. One windshield.